Avalanche! No, man down! Somebody dig him out!
Highways and mountain operations.
A severe winter storm buried Mammoth Mountain in California under more than 5 feet of fresh snow on Friday, creating dangerous conditions at the summit. 2 ski lifeguards were caught in an avalanche while working to control the avalanche and were taken to the hospital. One was seriously injured and taken to a different facility for further treatment, and the second was evaluated for a possible broken bone. Following the incident, Mammoth Mountain was temporarily closed to allow rescue and operations teams to make the snow and trail safe.
You silly boy.
Look at these cars. Look at Mama's truck. Holy for holy.
Yeah, wait.
Heavy snowfall and strong winds have transported heavy snow in slabs over previously weak layers. While the chance of natural avalanches has decreased throughout the day, the risk of human-induced avalanches remains high throughout the day. Areas around the resort, especially off-piste trails, remain at very high risk for avalanches.
Here's that one, and that is a car too.
Merry Christmas, everyone, from the Glass family. It started snowing yesterday morning, and it is still snowing. We have about 3.5, 4 feet.
Mammoth Mountain received more than 5 feet of snow from December 23rd to December 26th, and due to strong winds and snow accumulation, the resort was temporarily closed to allow operations teams to secure trails and critical areas.
Bella. Bella, what are you doing? What do you think? Get up there. Get up there. Go. Come on.
This incident highlights that even trained ski and avalanche teams are at high risk when faced with extreme winter conditions at high altitudes, requiring strict adherence to safety protocols and continuous assessment of snow conditions.
I'm snowbirding home. Down the road.
Strong winds and rain pushed fresh snow onto previously weak layers, increasing its density. These conditions not only made avalanches more likely, but also posed serious challenges for ski operations, road, and rescue efforts. Driving on the roads was difficult due to the wind, poor visibility, and slippery surfaces, and local authorities were forced to impose severe restrictions and warnings for travelers. In addition to the avalanche danger and road problems, the heavy rains deformed the mountain terrain, completely covering the trails and increasing the pressure on equipment and slopes. Even professional avalanche control teams suffered in the face of these conditions, as was the case with 2 ski lifeguards at Mammoth Mountain.
There's the truck. Yeah.
Conditions in the Sierra Nevada and Mammoth Mountain ranges have gradually improved since the Christmas storm passed, but scattered showers, strong winds, and unstable snowpack remain dangerous. Officials have warned that people should exercise extreme caution on the slopes and roads and follow safety recommendations, including wearing proper gear and avoiding unnecessary travel. The storm demonstrated that heavy snowfall can create recreational and winter opportunities, but it also poses significant risks to people, equipment,